Instagram Notes music. How to add music on Instagram Notes. Instagram Notes music not showing, so in this video I'll show you all the things. So first of all, open your Instagram app and don't forget to update your app from your Play Store or App Store, and then open it. After opening the app, just go to the profile and click to the three dot menu in the top right side, and then click to the settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and just click to the account type and tools, and then just click to the switch to professional mode or just creator mode. After that, just go back and just go to the chats, and just in the notes section just click to the notes, and just you can see add songs you like, so click to the songs, and then you can see all the songs is showing there. You can just choose any songs for your audience. So that is the process, or you can also browse songs as you want. So that's the process. I can add music on the Instagram Notes. So that's the process. I can add Instagram Notes music. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos, or if any issues showing, then don't forget to comment below. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing and interesting content. So thank you.